Hello everyone, I'm Marnia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a row of single crochet without having to make a bunch of chains in the beginning. The result is like this. For this tutorial, I'll be using the purple yarns and 3.5mm hooks. Start off with a slip knots and 2 foundation chain. This chain is not a foundation chain actually, it will be the first single crochet. Then insert the hook, pull the yarn through first loop. Then hold the bottom of the first stitch tightly, then complete the first single crochet. Now you'll find you have 2 single crochet. Okay, repeat the first pattern. Insert the hooks into front and back loops. Pull the yarn through 2 loops. Chain 1 and complete the single crochet. Repeat again. Insert the hooks into front and back loops. Pull the yarn through these 2 loops, chain 1 and complete the single crochet. Repeat these patterns until you get the desired length. Okay everyone, here it is. The chainless single crochet is now complete and this is how it looks like. You can use this as a long strap or anything you like. It depends on you. Okay, thank you for watching my video and happy crochet everyone.